can see, the reason why I pick Cuckoo because she will be, in my opinion, she is one of the most creative person in US Toastmaster, and I think she is the person who has the ability to answer this question. And your question will be, you have to sell this product.
My God.
Product. Explain how it works and persuade the audience to buy it. Your time starts now.
Yes, you know. At the first sight, you may don't understand what it is for, but now I will explain for you. You see, this girl and her legs, she cannot move it. She just think that she want to move her leg, but she cannot. So with this special shoes, it will connect to her brain, and whenever she think that move it, this shoe. Yes, don't you think this is a very useful product for people who cannot move their legs? Yes, buy it.